Ever feel like your workspace is shrinking or that your inventory is expanding faster than your capacity to store it? Maybe you're wrestling with the challenge of optimizing your storage space to keep up with business growth. Enter Fit-Right Engineering, the pioneers in crafting storage systems designed to fit right into your needs. With a proven track record, Fit-Right Engineering has been at the forefront of innovative storage solutions for years. We're not just about making space, we're about making the right space. Our team of experts consult, design, and execute with precision, ensuring that every inch of your storage space works hard for your business. From pallet racks and warehouse racks to mezzanine floors, our bespoke solutions are as diverse as the businesses we cater to. We know that one size does not fit all. That's why we offer slotted angle racks, cantilever racks, mobile compactors, multi-tier racks, and more. These are not merely storage systems. These are tools to streamline your operations, boost productivity, and ultimately drive your business growth. Our commitment doesn't end with design and execution. We're also there for you with responsive, reliable support whenever you need it. We believe in building relationships, not just racks. Think about it more than just a place to store your products. Your storage space is a direct reflection of your business's efficiency and organization. And with Fit-Right Engineering, you won't have to compromise on either. So, are you ready to transform your storage challenges into opportunities? Are you ready to optimize your space and your operations? Don't let your business be boxed in by limited storage. With Fit-Right Engineering, you have the power to shape your space to your needs. It's to embrace the future of storage solutions. It's time to get fit-right. Reach out to Fit-Right Engineering today and let us help you create a storage system that truly fits your business, because when it comes to storage, we believe in getting it right, the first time, every time, with Fit-Right.